So from time to time when installing your duct over the damper box, the duct collar won't stretch over the damper box collar to fit it on all the way. So a quick and easy fix is you take your grandpa's Swiss Army knife, cut the tape at the seam to allow this collar to expand all the way. So now we can get it out, have a little bit better of an install. Now that your collar's on, you will work it all the way around until your collar sits into the bead. Make sure your clasp is sitting correctly, maybe having to adjust the locking arm, locking the clasp in place. And then we will take a little strip of duct tape. Don't use Scotch tape or painter's tape. It's got to be duct tape. And we will re-tape that seam.